Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky Codes. Today we are solving a problem that is called asteroid collision. Before solving this problem, if you are new here and watching my video for the very first time, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and please do watch it till the end so that you don't miss any important concepts that are included in this video. So coming back to our problem, you are given an array of integers and each array represents an asteroid in space. The absolute value is its size and the sign indicates its direction. Positive means it's moving right and negative means it's moving left. And asteroids move at the same speed. When two meet, the smaller one explodes, and if they are equal, both explode. And if they move in the same direction, they don't collide. Okay, so let's walk through the example. Asteroid array is 5, 10, minus 5, and 5 and 10 are moving right, so no collision. Now comes minus 5, which is moving left. It meets 10 and collision time 10 is bigger than 5, so it's minus 5. Now comes minus 5 moving left, it meets 10, collision time 10 is bigger than 5, so minus 5 explodes, and final state will be 5 and then 10. And in the example 2, we can see that both asteroids are of same size but opposite direction. They collide and boom, both explode, and final state is blank. So to solve this, we will use a stack because we need to keep track of the previous asteroid in case a new one comes in the opposite direction. And to solve this, we will follow a step-by-step plan. First step is loop through each asteroid, and if it's moving right or the stack is empty, push it to the stack, and if it's moving left, then keep checking and popping smaller right moving asteroid, and if the stack top is the same size, then pop it too, and both explode. And if stack top is bigger than the current asteroid, then current asteroid explodes. So let's try to code this and check how it works and how it performs. First of all, we will define an empty stack, and then we will loop through asteroid array for a in asteroids while stack, we will check if stack is not empty and a is less than 0 and the right array, and the stack minus 1, that is top element in the stack, and we will check if stack top element in the stack is less than minus a, then we will stack dot pop, we will pop the latest element in the stack, and then we will continue. Otherwise else lf stack of minus 1, we will check if top element in the stack is minus a, then we will pop both elements, stack dot pop, both elements explode, otherwise we will break. And now for the else condition we will stack dot append a, and at the end we will return now. Let me try to run it and check if it works or not. As we can see here that our code passes all these 3 test cases in the examples, and now we will try to submit it and check if it works for all the test cases in this problem, and how does it perform in terms of runtime and space complexity. As we can see here that it passes all the test cases, that means 275 test cases in this problem, and it also performs well in terms of runtime and space time complexity. That's it for today's video, and this is a very clean and efficient stack based solution to the asteroid collision problem. This is a very classic interview problem, and now you know how to tackle it. And if you are new here, do not forget to hit the like button, comment your doubts or suggestions, and subscribe to Geeky Codes for more awesome tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.